Hey guys, this is Mike. I'm an adventurer and dad, and I've used roof racks for cars and trucks over the years to carry everything from boats to lumber to rooftop tents, bikes, and rooftop car boxes. Today I'm at this new store in Reno called Rack to Roam. They specialize in not only sales, but installation of all kinds of racks for all kinds of stuff. They also have a lot of cool overlanding gear and a lot of things that people in Reno have been looking for and that nobody's had in stock. So let's go in and check it out.
Yeah, my name is Mark Teason, and we are in Rack to Roam. We call it a rack specialty store, and we specialize in outfitting rigs, help people get outside and play. Well, we've actually only been open going about 3 months now. I mean, we've had all range of vehicles coming in. BMWs that have no rack on at all that we need to do a custom install on, and we've had people that are fully overlanding vehicles to be out there for weeks at a time, sprinters, just a wide variety of customers, so it's been really fun. We have a pretty deep list of brands. I mean, we do the major Thule, Yakima, Kuat for bikes, Rocky Mounts for bikes, but we also kind of dive down into some of those overlanding brands that you'd see, Dometic, Prinsu, RCI. We do Reno, Front Runner. This is gonna get rowdy here. This is pure rowdiness. Hey! It is a family bit. This is the teener. My wife and I were both professional athletes for a long time. I skied for several years and was in the outdoor industry. My wife as well was a mountain biker for several years in the industry. Tried to get a real life and real job, if you will, and went back to school and got a design degree and was an industrial designer for several years, but did a lot of rack installations and worked for rack stores in between going back to school and opening stores, and didn't enjoy being behind the desk and sketching all day, and so my wife and I just kind of moved out here from Boulder and decided to open up a store that to help people get outside and play. It's kind of what we enjoy. So yeah, we got an event going on. It'll be Saturday, October 16th, and we're gonna have 45 influencers out just kind of setting up rigs, and just want to show off the kind of essentially different builds and how people are doing it and gain some knowledge with people that want to swing by and look at it. Having some tacos from Tony's Tacos and some swag giveaway. So just a time for the community kind of see what's going on out there with everyone building up some rigs.
Alright, so I hope you like that shop. Be sure to come by next Saturday from 4 to 7. We'll have some rigs set up. I'll have my trailer set up. If you want to see a Tacoma, then you can come see that. And we'll have some tacos and we'll chat and have a good time. Thanks for joining us. Happy trails. Bye-bye.